You ever seen a wire connection like this? We've all probably have. The wire's sticking out, it's not going to flow, the electron's not going to go through there. This is going to wreak havoc on electrical systems. Welcome to this AMSOIL Tech Tip. We're talking about proper wire techniques. What do you need for that? Well, you need the tools here. You see the soldering gun, you have the strippers there, you have the proper wire, rosin core solder, butt connectors, shrink wrap. You want to do it right. Better yet, I can show you. Make sure you're soldering your joints. Make sure you're doing it right. Make sure you're using shrink wrap. When it comes to it, well, you can do pigtail, T-type, Western Union, all different ways to do it. But how you do it's the key here. You can actually see it here. I kind of sped it up for you, but make sure you use the proper tools to strip the wires. Once you strip the wires, I like to take the little butt connector and take the joint out of the middle there. I'm not going to butt connect it. I'm not going to pinch it. What we're going to do is actually put it in there, and then we're going to heat it up. You can use a soldering gun, a torch, but don't put it on the solder. The solder always wicks towards the heat. So you're going to put it in the middle there. We're going to fill up that joint. Once we fill up that joint, and then what we can do is we can go ahead and put the shrink wrap on it. Man, you can tug that thing. Listen, Len, that's corrosion free, resistance free. That's going to be a good connection right there. We always preach that, wrong oil is going to wreak havoc, just like electrical problems. Len, we always preach use the manufacturer specification when it comes to oil, but there are some exceptions. You guys, the Hemi build here, your LS build, and this hot rod, what oil do I put in there?
Well, you look at it two ways from the products that are available at AMSOIL. We've got a Z-Rod series of motor oil, zinc boosted, so you've got, that covers your flat tappet camshaft guys. So we've got them covered. That's our Z-Rod line. Then you go to the actual Dominator Racing Series oil. That is the ultimate in protection. That's got the highest end exotic base oils. The additives have been tweaked for wear protection versus, corrosion protection. It'll lean more towards wear protection. It's still a fully formulated product, but again, all of the decisions made for that product is all wear protection, heat protection, extreme pressure protection. That's what we ended up using in the LS, a 50 weight, even though that LS calls for a 30.
Yeah, and I saw the horsepower made, it did a good job. Now, wire connections like this, it can make a mess when it comes to your electrical system. Using inferior products can make a mess of your engine, your transmission, your differential, the brakes, the list goes on and on and on. So use the best. You can find it at AMSOIL.com.